All right, first I am going to do a really simple, fun, and easy one. Okay, so first of all, this is a gel plate, and it's made of gelatin, and it's non-toxic. It's not made from any animal products. You can just wash it with baby wipes or soap and water. And you need to put it on a hard, non-porous surface, like a piece of glass, or this is acrylic. And then these are the different rollers that I have. Brayers is what they're called. I've got a few different ones. And this mini one, which is my new favorite. So there's those. And then I've got some gel prints that I did yesterday. I love this. This is what I'm about to show you. Another one like that. This is another one that I did using a stencil. This one using a paintbrush on the gel plate. This is what you call a ghost print, which is what you pick up after you do your initial paper pickup. Some more. All right, so let's get started. So first I'm going to take my paint and just put a little spot here on the plate like that. And then I'm going to smush it around so that it glides on here good. This is a squeaky little roller. And you should also always have a paper off to the side, which I do, to wipe off excess paint. So let me just move some things around here. I've got some stencils over here off to the side. And just to see all that excess that came off, because you don't want too much on the gel plate. Okay, so there's that. And then when you're done rolling, you'll just set it on its feet so that it doesn't get stuck to the surface or get paint on the surface. All right, now I'm going to take this really cool stencil and I'm going to just put it here like that. You just lay it down. And then you get a piece of paper and you put the paper over top of it like this. And then you just rub it with your hand like this. Try not to move the stencil or anything like that, because then it'll get messy and smear and kind of ruin the effect. Oops, but you just rub it in like this. And what you're doing is trying to pick up the paint around the stencil. Okay, let's see how that worked. And this is what you get. How beautiful is that? I absolutely love this. So now you've got this really cool print. And then you take this off, and always put your stencils in a bin of hot soapy water so that the paint doesn't dry on them. Okay, and then this will be what we call a ghost print. And what you're wanting to do is just rub until the plate isn't like cold to the touch. And that is a ghost print. Like, it's more faint, but still has a cool effect. There's that. All right, now you can just take a baby wipe and wipe the rest of that off. Or you can leave it. It doesn't matter. All right. Okay, next one I am going to do is going to be, let's see, what else would look really cool? I think we're going to go with this one. This color here, which is green gray. Okay. I hope my table's not shaking too much. Okay, that's a lot of paint, a little too much, so just wipe the excess off over here and smoosh it around. Looks like there was still a little black on the paint, or actually on my roller, but it's okay. So excess goes here. And then we're going to take this pretty lace one, and we're just going to put it on there like that. Get a piece of paper and go here like this. Do the same thing. Just rub it down, trying to pick up the paint around the stencil that's inside of the stencil. Okay, let's see how that looks. Oh, that's very pretty. I love it. Take that off, put it in a bin to the side. And then we could do a ghost print. Wow, that's really pretty. Oh my God, I like this one better than I like this one. Anyway, that is the ghost print, and that is gorgeous. Now we'll try, let's see. Now I can take one of these ones over here that I already have something on, and let's see. We'll do one like this, where we'll put this on here. Wait, that'll work. And then take some pink. Put a little pink right there. And then, do I have a brush? Let's see. Just experimenting. You could also do this with a makeup sponge or a dabber. Okay, now we're going to pull that up, and it's just the flowers now. And then we're going to take this background, we're going to very carefully line it up, put it on there, press it down. And you can also always use another brayer as long as it's dry, and just go like this. It's not completely coming up yet. It might have been too much paint. Either way, there it is. It's a little smeared, but experimenting is fun. That's how you learn. And then, so that's kind of like a layer too, because it already had like a pattern on it. And then let's see what else we've got. Trying to look for another one. Let's see. Here's another one where we could do a ghost print. So this is, I think this was a ghost print actually, We'll do a ghost print upon a ghost print. Oh, I like that. And there's that. So I just wanted to give a quick little preview of what jelly printing is, or gel printing. And I'm going to be having a free class. So sign up for my email list so you don't miss anything. Follow me on Facebook and Instagram at Krisha Art on Instagram. Well, it's Krisha.Lu, L-U, .art on Instagram, and Krisha Lu Art and Designs on Facebook, and I'm on YouTube. And just be looking out for my classes, and I'm excited to have these workshops, and I hope you'll come and jelly print with me because it's so much fun. Have a great day.